Hi guys, so in today's video we're using my favorite hair products on her hair. And we're starting off on freshly co-washed hair, and we use the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Curl Drench Cleansing Co-Wash. And this co-wash is amazing. It's thick, it's creamy, it smells good, and most importantly it does an amazing job of keeping the scalp cleansed, and it did a really good job on Kennedy's hair as well. And I'm also using the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals Hydrating Hair Butter. I always use a hair butter after I shampoo or co-wash my hair, and I do the same thing on Kennedy's hair. It just allows my fingers to easily glide through, and it helps with the detangling, and it helps to keep in the moisture too in the hair. And what I like about this hair butter, it is very smooth. It doesn't have a gritty texture, and it's made with olive oil. Olive oil is the first ingredient in the butter, which is amazing. So you don't necessarily have to use, or people who don't like shea butter, you can use this because it has olive oil in it, which is great. My scalp typically gets dry, so I like to use castor oil on it, and I use lemongrass to take away the smell, and I'm doing the same on her hair. And I give it a nice, good massage. Doesn't that feel good? And by using the hair butter, I was easily able to go through the hair and part it without me hearing any popping or snags or anything like that. So I love using a hair butter. So please guys, use a hair butter in the winter. Summertime, you can use an oil. It would do the same thing and give the same effect. And for my leave-in, my favorite leave-in of all time is the Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment. This leave-in, the tangles just melt away on my hair. But unfortunately, it did not do the same on Kennedy's hair. I felt like I had to keep combing to get the tangles out. So I'll stick with Kennedy's leave-in conditioner. And for my styler, what I'm using today, because I really don't have a favorite hair cream or hair pudding, but one thing I always use that's going to give me amazing results every single time is my DIY Flaxseed gel. I've made this gel so many times, and this is the first time, I'd say with the last 2 years, that I really love the consistency and the hold that it gives me. So I use this on Kennedy's hair, so I'm doing the same thing I do on my hair, which is a twist out. So I'm doing the same thing on hers, but I'm doing a twist out, like a ponytail twist out on her hair. So let's just see the results. Okay, we're finished with your hair. So I used all of my products on your hair. So you can see the front and the back. Sorry, it's a little too close, but the back of her hair. You like this chair, don't you? Whee! Well, it's too close to the bed, so sorry, we can't turn it all the way around. So, Ken, question for you. So I used all the hair products that I use on my hair on your hair. So which leave-in conditioner do you like better? My leave-in or yours, which is the Camille Rose Naturals for kids?
I didn't really feel anything.
You didn't really feel anything? So you didn't feel a difference?
All I felt was pulling.
Pulling? So I think your products do a better job at detangling than mine does.
Yeah.
Okay. But I do like the...
Now, I'm going to stretch out my leg.
All right, Ken.
Yours looks like elbows.
Okay, so here, bye-bye. Alright, so now Ken, we take down your twists. Side.
Okay. One little twist, two little twists, three little twisties, four little twists, 5.
So I've opened all of the twists, and I love the way it's looking so far, and I'm just adding a little bit of water because the gel gives a little bit of a cast. So I like to use the water just to help out with the gel cast, so it's not so hard, and I like to use a light oil on the hair as well, and I'm just using the Miel Organic Sweet Almond Oil, and I always do this before I put any edge control on the edges. It just allows the edge control, in my opinion, to look nice and sleek, and it also helps so it doesn't cake up or flake up on you as well. And this is the first time that I'm using this edge control, and it's the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Perfect Edges Extra Hold Gel. Okay, so I can see your hair. So as you can see, I fluffed out, fluffed out this side. So I haven't fluffed this side out, but I'll make sure I fluff. Put your head down, Ken, so you can see.
Like this?
Yeah. There you go. So that's the hair. Up close shot. Put your head down. Put your headscarf on. Turn around, please.
I like a model.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay. Take headscarf on. To set the style.
Actually, I'm not a cat. I'm a leopard. I don't know what I am right now.
So this looks pretty good, Ken. What you think?
Do leopards have puffs?
This looks pretty good.
Do leopards